Thanks again for joining me for another powerful moment of prayer. Today, we will be praying for everyone who needs a miracle right now.
In this video, I am thrilled to present a powerful psalm of prosperity that has the ability to rejuvenate your financial situation and invite abundant wealth into your life. The psalm we will be focusing on is Psalm 144. In Psalm 144, we proclaim our faith and dependence on the Lord, acknowledging Him as our rock, protector, and liberator. By surrendering ourselves to His divine guidance, we invite His presence into our financial endeavors. The psalm calls upon God to intervene in our lives, to touch the mountains and open the heavens, signaling a transformational shift in our financial circumstances. I encourage you to join me in reciting it. Let us commence. Psalm 144. Blessed be the Lord, my rock. He is my loving God, my protector, my highest hiding place, my liberator, and my shield in whom I find refuge. Lord, I beseech you to open the heavens and descend, touch the mountains, and let them emit smoke. Extend your hand from the heights and deliver me from the influence of unfamiliar forces. May our storehouses be filled with an abundance of provisions, covering all our needs. May our livestock multiply by thousands and tens of thousands in our fields. May our oxen bear heavy loads. May there be no lack, no shortage, no cries of despair in our streets. Blessed are the people who receive all these blessings. Blessed are the people whose God is the Lord. By reciting this psalm 3 times, you open the doors to boundless opportunities. From this moment forward, you are connected to the infinite abundance of God. You can rest assured that you will lack nothing, for God is your provider. Amen. I truly hope you enjoyed this psalm, sending you a warm embrace. Thank you very much.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.